Holy smokes, boys, finally! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Mad Corner here, and we are obviously still here in Fukuoka, Japan. And right now, we are just walking in a very random street. I think this is somewhere in Hirao. Yes, it says there, Hirao Residence. And yeah, there are times that I'm just allowing myself to, wander around, see something that is off track, and consider this as one of those stuff. Quick time check right now, it is 4:30 p.m. and the idea here is to have a quick snack somewhere, right? And this is a very nice neighborhood, not gonna lie. What did I just found here? It says no coffee, and if you guys don't know, I just want to say sorry in advance. I can function well with just water, right? And that's a fact. And this no coffee brand here is making me feel like I need to give it a try. So there's no harm, right? The coffee is good, at least for me, right? I'm not a huge coffee fan, but I kind of liked it. And the branding, it's on point. It kind of gives me like a hype beast minimal vibe, which I really like. And it's very bold. No coffee. But they're selling coffee, which is kind of fun. Also, the merch that they are selling, they're on point with their branding. I ended up buying a no coffee mug and a no dog shirt for our dog, Vincent. Aside from those things, they have a wide range of selection. They have t-shirts, bucket hats, stickers, and even phone holders. Don't worry guys, I'll put the address on the description box down below so you can check it once you go here in Fukuoka. I will also try to look for their social media and website so I can put it down there as well. Also, I almost bought the no coffee shirt, but I had my hesitations because of the pricing. They're selling it for 5,500 yen. Probably it's going to be my biggest regret here in Fukuoka. And here's the problem, I don't know where to dispose this because here in Japan, it's very rare for you to find a trash can somewhere. Speaking of problems, one of the comments that we always encounter is that my camera is shaky, get a gimbal, and that stuff. I have this tendency to make you guys dizzy, and I read all of those comments. And finally, I think it's time for us to upgrade our camera because it has been more than a year now using my iPhone 11 as our primary camera. And I feel like it's time for us to do a bit of an upgrade. BIC Camera here in Tenjin. So let's go inside and hope that there is the camera or the camera that we want is available. But of course, we're going to explore the entire building. Just like any other BIC camera, first floor is mostly about cell phones, iPads, cell phone peripherals, SIM cards, and some switches. They even have Sennheiser here. If you guys don't know what this is one of the top brands when it comes to audio items or equipment. How did I know that? We bought one before and it's pricey. Just to give you an idea, these Sennheisers here are 32,000 yen and 49,000 yen. That sums the first floor, and now we are moving to second floor. So this is the building map. So on first floor, more on cell phones, just like what I told you. Second floor, I think drinks, and this is more about house stuff. Yeah, it says here TV, audio equipment, CD for recording, alcohol, beverages. And on the third floor, this is where we are going after. So more on camera, hair dryer, shaver. And fourth floor is about kitchen appliances. Fifth floor would be about more on air conditioners, a washing machine. And sixth floor is intended for toys, video games, adapters, travel goods. And seventh floor, wow, capsule toy. That means we're going to spend a good amount of time here. They also have some extensions here, and I just realized now that when you guys go to a different country, it's a bit, I would say, I think it is a hack if you will bring your own extension because you can plug so many chargers because right now I only have few ports in our hotel. As you can see, There are tons of TVs here. Like so many TVs, man. Being sold for 2,100,000 yen. This one, 227,000 yen, 187,000 yen. And look at that one. Oh, look at this. I did not expect that they have this stuff here. And hopefully one day I can get mine as well. Probably when we have enough funds, because right now we still have our priorities. For me, this is something nice to have, especially in your house. So hopefully in the future, who knows, right? And surprisingly, they have tons of pianos here. Casio, Yamaha over there. So if you're a piano lover, then you might want to check this out. Just to share as well, if there's one music instrument that I hope and I wish that I could play, that's this, the piano. I know I can still learn this, but as you grow old, it's getting harder to divide your time because you have a lot of responsibilities in life. But I'm not closing any doors. So we officially landed on the third floor where we can find some cameras here. But on the side, they have shavers here, tons of shavers. Hair dryers are also available on this floor. There's also a glass cabinet of tripods that you can buy. I think this one is at 35,000 yen, 44,000 yen over there. Also, different kinds of mounts are available here. It is indeed a heaven for camera enthusiasts here at BIC Camera. And here we go. DJIs are starting to show up. So there are drones here. This one, DJI Air 3, it's already sold out. And I don't know how much is it. It ranges from 129,000, I guess that's the basic. And then 165,000 is the Fly More combo. All right, at least you have an idea now. DJI Mavic Classic, 167,000 yen. It's almost like all sorts of drones from DJI are available here. They also have the FPV, I assume, and they have the RC Motion 2 here. We are now exploring the camera section. This is a Canon, all right? Canon EOS R10 for 148,500 yen. And this Nikon, I don't know what's this, 286,000. Unfortunately, I'm not updated anymore when it comes to the cameras because I did stop doing some photography as a hobby. So yeah, I'm not updated anymore, but still I have some knowledge behind it. For example, this Sony A7 III, it sits at 268,000 yen. So Sony is starting to be a game changer when it comes to low light settings, especially for people out there who needs to have a good output when it comes to low light. Sony is a go-to camera for you. There's an entire wall of lenses here. It feels like an ear-to-ear kind of wall of lenses. So I won't be able to show everything to you. But as you can see, there's a red line Canon lens over there and so many things in here. So GoPros, they are already here. Some action cameras, DJI Action 4. And here you go. This is the DJI Pocket 2. This one is the Pocket 2. This is the Pocket 3. Osmo Pocket 3 series. So we have it here. The Pocket 3 is 79,000 and then the Osmo Pocket 3, this is the creator combo for 99,880 yen. But unfortunately, it is sold out and ah, very unfortunate for us. My own research and review about this entire thing, and the creator combo really suits me for my needs when it comes to this kinds of content. So very unfortunate for us that it's already sold out. But don't worry, we still have other stores to check later. Boys, it's already 6 p.m. here, so I really want to have this, but unfortunately, again, it's already sold out. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump to the next store because I don't want to end this day without buying this Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo. That means we have to skip the remaining floors because as you guys know, most stores here closes around 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. So for the interest of time, let's go. We still have our hopes up because we have the big camera one over here. Here we go, boys. Moment of truth for big camera one. Hoping for the best as always. So for the first floor, again, kind of same, just like what they have at Big Camera 2. So technically, it's almost the same. Peripherals, cell phones, what else? Speakers. some gadgets that are phone related. The only difference is that this one, for BIC Camera 1, there's just one floor, but it is divided to two blocks. So this is the second block. You just have to cross at the end of the first one that you saw a while ago. Let's just give this part a quick view. So they have keyboards. Oh yeah, actually my keyboard is malfunctioning now. So this might be a good buy. But again, we have our priorities. Holy smokes, boys. Finally, we have here the creator combo for 99,880 yen. And I assume it is available because there are tickets over here. So we're going to check this one out. Let's give it a quick flip and see. Ooh, sheesh. It's smooth. All right, all right. But since we are a tourist and we are bringing our passport over here, that means we can still cut the 10% out of the 99,880 yen. So that means the total price of this one will go down to 90,800 yen only. I'm buying this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for you guys so that you will have a better experience watching my episodes. So if you've been watching my content for the past few months or probably a year now, thank you very much because you made this possible, and hopefully I can raise the quality of videos that we are going to upload in the next few weeks. And now we're going to the counter. I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited and happy at the same time. We are making it official, boys. Let's do this. It just feels so right. And of course, boys, we can't use that DJI Osmo Pocket 3 without getting a memory card. So we went for the 128 gig and it's a SanDisk. Right, so let's do this. No more turning back. We are finally back here in our hotel, guys. This is the Apa Hotel Hakata Ekibae. Let's not waste our time anymore, and I am really excited to unbox this thing. It really took some time to finally decide that this is the camera for us. It is official, and now we're going to unseal this thing. There you go. Oh, we're about to do this. Okay. First things first, silica gel. And then you will find the bag here. Okay, so let's check first what's inside this bag. This is going to be the travel bag for this camera. So again, DJI. I really like the feel of the case because obviously it is not made of a cheap material. So that's a good thing. And right off the bat, the body. Right, so DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And officially, we're going to open it. There you go. We've already removed the cover. I'll put it there. And then, sheesh. Okay, we're just going to set it up in English. So the body is perfectly working. We're just going to turn it off for now. Okay, it's good. And then, since we picked the creator combo, we have here the extension slash extra battery. Here you go. And then another, I'm not sure if this is a battery to be honest, but it seems like it, or just an extender. We're going to check on that later. This will serve like the tripod of this thing. So we're just going to put this over there. Then it serves like a base as a tripod. Since this is the creator combo, of course, we have the very sweet DJI mic. So we have the cable and then the cat or dead cat. I already forgot how they call it, but this will serve as a cover for the extra noise or the noise for the audio or for the mic. Here is the magnet for the microphone, and we have here the extra wide lens. So how this works is that you just have to put it on the lens of the camera of the DJI Pocket 3, and then just like that, you will already have the wide. You can also find the manual inside and some stickers here, DJI. We're just going to explore the manual later. And this box, which I have no idea what this is. Okay, so on this one, this serves as the protective case for the body of our camera. So here you go. As you can see, we can put the wide lens here and then the body serves right about here. And the cover has a very exquisite feeling when you rub it. Again, thank you very much guys for putting me in this position. I'm very lucky. I'm not gonna lie, because doing these kinds of travel, I really enjoy them. And now I can finally afford like a new camera from your help by watching my videos. Hopefully we can make this channel bigger, and just in case you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below because you don't want to miss our future episodes. So it is already 8 p.m. here. I'm really hungry. I'm just going to have a quick snack. Hopefully I'll see you again next week for another episode. Mad Corner, I'm out!
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor.